Hi there and welcome back to the Best Reviews channel. Let's imagine this scenario. You own a business and are struggling to find simple and easy ways to pay your vendors or get paid by customers. What can you do? Well, one option is to subscribe to Melio, a B2B payment gateway designed for small to medium businesses.
Welcome to Best Reviews.
It works as a web and mobile app and supports multiple payment methods, including instant ACH bank transfers, wire transfers, credit cards, and paper checks. If you're looking for an intuitive way to manage vendor payments, bills, and cash flow, Melio might be the solution for you. In this video, we'll walk through Melio's features, setup process, pricing structure, and customer support. For the most up-to-date information, be sure to check out our full written review linked in the description. Now let's see how exactly Melio works and how it helps your business. Melio was founded in 2018 to help businesses simplify payments. Since then, it's processed over 100 billion in transactions. Simply put, it works as an intermediary between you and vendors for managing and processing payments. It was so refreshing how straightforward it was to set up Melio. After signing up, you'll go through a quick onboarding process to input your business details. Once inside, you'll see a clean and intuitive interface with three main sections: Pay, Get Paid, and Customers. You can quickly connect your bank account via Plaid, manually, or with micro deposits. After this, you're ready to start paying with ease. Now, let's talk about the specifics of how Melio can help you. One of our favourite things is the variety of payment options, including support for fast ACH bank transfers, credit cards, paper checks, international payments in over 15 currencies, and single-use virtual cards. You can even make batch payments or use the outstanding invoice scanner to speed things up, saving you precious time on tedious manual entries. All you have to do is upload your invoice and Melio will automatically fill out the payment form. We found that it works great with different invoice templates. Another huge plus is the support for 1099s. The platform makes it easy to request or submit electronic W-9 forms from vendors, streamlining business with all types of vendors, including contractors. Melio's automation features are also a highlight. You can schedule recurring payments, set up multi-level workflows for approval processes, and even require specific approvals for transactions over a certain amount. Melio also offers centralized user management, allowing you to customize user roles and control access levels for different team members. For those businesses working with accounting software, Melio integrates seamlessly with QuickBooks and Xero. Although these are popular accounting software providers, we expected broader support, with flexibility for integrating other similar products like FreshBooks or Sage. On another note, the platform supports payment requests, making it easier to receive money from customers. You can send branded payment links, track incoming funds, and reconcile payments without hassle. We did find a downside in Melio's reporting features, as they're limited to basic CSV exports. Considering the type of software and industry it's aimed at, we would like to see more complex and advanced reporting and analytics features. Last but not least, Melio also offers a mobile app for Android and iOS, allowing users to manage payments on the go, which is great for remote teams. When it comes to pricing, Melio offers a free tier for single users, which can be the right choice for businesses with minimal payment needs. Paid plans start at under $20 per month with an annual subscription and go up based on additional features and users. One thing that's always appreciated is that all plans come with a 30-day free trial, and if you opt for an annual subscription, you save up to 25%. Since pricing varies based on factors like payment method fees, we highly recommend checking the latest promotions and deals linked in our full review. Melio's resources for help include a well-organised help centre with guides, FAQs, and case studies. However, while it's true that you can find a few videos of Melio on its official YouTube channel, these are mostly to showcase the platform. Considering the industry, we'd like to see a few more tutorial-focused videos. There's a contact form for email submissions and a built-in live chat is available on weekdays from 9 AM to 8 AM Eastern Standard Time. Our experience using the live chat was outstanding, with clear and impressively quick response times. Even though it lacks 24/7 support, most users report positive experiences with Melio's customer service. With all that we've seen, it's safe to say that Melio can be a great help for businesses looking for a reliable, secure, and intuitive B2B payment gateway. You can select the best payment method for your vendor or let them choose it for you with multiple payment methods available. Plus, its automation capabilities and support for 1099 only make it stronger, allowing you to efficiently work with different types of workforces. Its mobile app is also worth highlighting as it gives that extra compatibility that most current businesses look for. Unfortunately, there were things that we'd like to see improved. For example, if Melio expands the number of integrations supported and improves its reporting capabilities in the future, we're sure the experience will be even better. Considering the pros and cons, Melio is most suited to small businesses looking to efficiently manage 1099 contractors. If you'd like to know more about Melio, feel free to check out our full review at bestreviews.net. And if you've ever tried out Melio, how did you find it? Do you agree with our take on the platform? Please let us know in the comments below. Thanks, and see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!